Assalamu alaikum everyone. As you know, this is Tahir Yusuf Channa from BBA 2K 18 batch. I am here to presenting my presentation through video lecture. So I am moving on my lecture. Intro about my course. My course name is Financial Management and our course instructor is Sir Ghulam Mustafa Sheikh. My subtopics are Financial Management, 3 main decisions, bond and its types. First of all, financial management. It is the process of planning, organizing, controlling and monitoring financial with a view to achieve organizational goals and objectives. It is a process which dealing with and analyzing money and investment for persons or business to help make a business. It is a process where we have to arrange funds, where we have to utilize invest funds in business. We can also say that financial management is backbone of business. If our backbone is delicate, our business is in loss. 3 main decisions. Financial decisions. Investment number 1 is investment decision, financial decision, divided decisions. In investment decision, capital budgeting, working capital. And financing decisions, equity, debit and financial institutions. Number 3, divided decisions. Retained earnings, distributions of dividends. Financing decisions. Number 4. It is concerned with the procurement of funds and analyzing various sources from which such funds can be produced. This forms a major topic named cost of capital, which helps to decide from which source finance is produced or bought. Important to decide the proportion of various sources in the overall capital mix. More debits will bring permanent funds, but the shareholder will expect higher rates of earnings. More debits will increase the return on equity but will involve fixed interest liability. Investment decisions. There are 2 types of investment decisions, long-term and short-term. Long-terms are capital budgeting, short-terms are working capital management. Investment decision. This decision is related to utilizations of funds and investments. It is in long-term and short-term funds. Compare the intrinsic value to the market price to decide if you want to buy it. Evaluate the investment to determine if its market price is consistent with your current rate of return. Asset management, or we say that dividend decisions making. Assets management decisions making, capital investment decision making, life cycle value realization, resourcing strategy, operation and maintenance decisions making. Number 3 is bond. The bond is a debit security in which the issuer borrower promises to pay a series of interest payment in addition to returning the principals at maturity. Bond market is also known as debit, credit or fixed income market. Bond is a fixed income instrument that represents a loan made by investor to borrower. Bonds are units of corporate debit issued by the companies and securitized as assets. A bond is an agreement in which an issuer is required to pay the investor the amount borrowed plus interest over a period of time. Terms defined. Per face value, the amount of money that is paid to the bondholder and maturity. It is also generally represent the amount of money borrowed by the bond issuers. Number second, coupon rate. The coupon, which is generally fixed, determine the periodic coupon or interest payments. It is also represent the interest cost of the bond to the issuer. Number third one is coupon payment. The coupon payments represent the periodic interest payments from the bond issuer to the bondholder. The annual coupon payment is calculated by multiplying the coupon rate by the bond's face value. Maturity date. The maturity date represents the date on the bond matures. For example, the date on which the face value is repaid. Original maturity. The time from when the bond was issued
Thank you so
until
much.
its maturity date. Bonds have maturity dates at which points the principal amount must be paid back in full or risk default.